They haven't released anything groundbreaking as of yet, but certainly AWS is going crazy on generative AI. Andy Jassy, their CEO, has just said in his earning call that every single Amazon team is working on generative AI. And he said that every single one of Amazon business, including AWS, has multiple generative AI initiatives going right now. According to him, these initiatives range from things that help AWS to be more cost effective and streamlined in how they run their operations and various businesses to the absolute heart of every customer experience in which they offer. They are not only including it in their stores business, but also in the AWS. And their major focus, it seems, right now is on Alexa. For example, it seems that Amazon is going to announce some generative AI based improvement for Alexa very soon in September when they have their devices event. And then they will also be introducing some of their own large language models, especially for Alexa. Now, the thing is that we have been waiting for AWS generative AI service like Amazon Bedrock for the last 4 months. And still it is in preview. And all we are hearing about is that it is just an API access to a lot of LLMs, and that's about it. Whenever you ask AWS about generative AI, they will redirect you to AWS SageMaker. So I hope that AWS rises above rhetoric and really do something practical about generative AI. Otherwise, they'll be left behind. I'm very keen to hear your thoughts on AWS and generative AI and how do you see AWS competing in this market. Thanks for listening, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.